Hey there, I'm Stevie, co-founder of Figmayo, and I'll give you a quick walk through the product. So Figmayo is a design automation tool, and we let you document your design system directly from Figma pretty much with a single click. So this saves you a ton of time and hassle compared to doing this manually, and it makes keeping your documentation up to date really easy, as it will just sync with your Figma file, so any changes there will just get pushed through. So you can see on our test Figma library, I've got my local style set up on the right with text, color, and effects. And on the left, I've got different pages, each with components. So any page in Figma that has a component will be included as a page on your Figmayo site. So to create a site is super simple. It's just a case of copying the share link from Figma. And then if I navigate to Figmayo, all I need to do is pop the link in there and my site will start building. So this can take a couple of minutes depending on the size of your library, but I'll just go and show you what this looks like when it's been built. So this is what your site will look like when it's finished building. So it's a bit like magic, really. This has all been created from the Figma file that we looked at earlier. And you can see all of my core styles are included at the top, and the different pages with components on are pulled in as a primary nav. So if I go and navigate to the colors page, you can see all of the colors that were in the Figma file are included. If you've added any notes to these, they'll be attached here, so you can hover over this guy and the notes will show. You can copy some of the code down here, and any nesting or ordering that you've got will be displayed as the secondary nav. And if you reorder that, it will reorder in Figmayo. So I can scroll down, say, to gradients, which we support, as well as image fills. And you can see a little Easter egg of my co-founder there. And if we go to the typography page, similar to colors, you can see all of the type styles are added in here with the nesting as well on the right-hand side. We'll show the different properties of each style, so weight, size, line height, and letter spacing. And again, any notes added will just be included over here. So if I go to the effects, we support all the main effects in Figma. So you've got our background blur, drop shadow, layer blurs, and inner shadows. And again, if you want to copy any of the code, super easy to do so. So if I want to go and have a look at some components, let's navigate to the buttons page. So you can see my buttons that were in the Figma file are all here, primary, secondary, tertiary icon, and the frames that they're in are represented as well in this quick nav. So one of the cool things that we do is, rather than showing all of the variants at once, which you can toggle on if you want to, is we let you play with the different states or props with our component explorer. So you can see with my buttons here, I can have a look at the hover and focus states very easily. I've got my size props as well. And if I hover over any one of those different variants, it will show me the different states that have been applied, and I can link to that exact variant within Figma itself. You can also see I've got a storybook link below and notes. So these are added in the component configuration panel in Figma. So if you put anything in there, we'll pop them on the Figmayo site as well. If I go to the chips and badges, so you can see my badge component here. And this little guy has an icon right and a dot applied to it as a switch in Figma. So similar to Figma, you can toggle these on and off. So very easy to see how that behaves, but we also let you view them side by side. So it's quite easy to compare the different variants together. And again, you can see I've added a storybook link and a note to this component as well. So we'll leave it there for now. There's a ton more functionality that we offer. So if you like what you see, please get in touch. You can reach me at stevie@figmayo.com. I'm on LinkedIn and Twitter. So we'd love any feedback. And if this looks interesting to you, reach out and we can help get you up and running. But thank you very much for making it to the end. Congratulations. And hopefully speak to you soon. Bye.